Well, welcome back to Steve Rob Reviews. These guys got Milwaukee tools, M12 batteries. Let's take a look at some tools here and see where's the problem here. See if you can spot this. Oh, that's not good. That won't stand up at all, will it? Okay, we take that battery out. We put this battery in. All them power tools will stand up nice and easy. And they're quite hard to actually tip over. Now, you can see the bottom shape of this. It's not really good to hold up in a lot of places. I find if I've got like some uneven ground, especially if I'm working outside up in my camp, you try to put this down on any grass or anything that's not completely level, well, away it goes. So I've solved that problem, and I'm going to show you how I did it right now. Okay, so you've seen what I got so far. All I did was just get my router, and I just got this small little bit on there just to take it out 1/4 of an inch deep. Here we are here. As you can see, all I've done really is I just traced out the battery shape itself and just routed it out. It was quite easy, and it's 1/4 inch deep. I just sanded it lightly, and now what I'm going to do is just going to use some hot glue from a regular glue gun. You guys can use any kind of glue you want. Really doesn't really matter. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put 3 holes in the bottom of this. Just about maybe 1/4 of an inch deep at the most. Just so that when I pour the hot glue in there, set the battery in, it'll hold it in there a little bit better. And what I like about the hot glue is it'll never be anything that's really that permanent anyways. If you ever wanted to take it apart, you could take it apart. So let's get to it and let's glue this thing in. So let's just take a look at the 2 batteries here, and you can obviously see this one here and this one. Like, they're quite different, and this one here is quite a bit more stable, and I prefer these. The only problem is they're almost twice the price. And a lot of times I really don't need the capacity of the battery. I just want the thing to stand up and be stable. So what kind of glue am I using here? Guys, just regular cheap all-purpose hot glue gun glue, and it does say on the back that it is for wood and plastics and that kind of stuff. And I just got like just a cheap glue gun, like a $10 Black & Decker glue gun. So let's glue it all down here. Let's take a look. Okay, you can see the 3 holes I got in there, and that's just so that the glue makes it more stable. And we'll just, guys, I just put it in here liberally. You don't got to go crazy. I mean, you're not holding down a tank or anything, right? And that's about it right there. We take the battery. And just plop it in there. And it's probably going to ooze out a bit, like you can see there. And then I can just cut that off when it cools down. Let's come back when it's cooled down. Well, here we go. We got it all done. It's quite easy. And I don't know, you can see I just kind of cut off, some of the excess hot glue that was, just going around the sides. Guys, this is just a hunk of pine, very cheap. And I think this is a good little hack. So let's just take a look at before. Here's the before. Or guys, this won't stand up if you try it. And we just snap in a battery. There you go. Guys, this very simple, very easy to make. And I figured this cost me nothing, because I just had some scrap pine just sitting around, and a nice little project. Took me about maybe 10 minutes to make one of these, and now I'm set when I take this up north, and I'm going to put it down on a piece of grass or a little bit of an angle there. At least this will stand up now. So I hope you like this little bit of a hack. Thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again, guys. Let's have some more fun like this. Cheers.